Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The lecture today is mental athlete. Okay, boys and girls. Okay, you have seen physical athletes. You will see mental athletes in this lecture. Mental athlete knows that humor lifts the spirit and refreshes the mind. Always go for mental play and play around your head. Make it a habit to play the part of the jester. 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 Look at things upside down. Stand up. Turn around. Bend over. And look between your knees. Then a healthy dose of blood flows to your brain. Have ideas that are bizarre, unusual, shocking, preposterous, deep, and fun. Use these ideas when you need them. When feeling pressure or overburdened, take a break. Mind needs this. Very often, new ideas appear when you are relaxing. I got the flash idea of giving this lecture when involved in telephonic conversation with Dr. Annie Pothen of Usmania University during my brain break. I usually take an occasional break from work. That is why I am successful. When you are least expecting, best ideas will magically appear. I am giving now some exercises. They encourage for an offbeat way of thinking and hypothetical situations help our mind for new ideas. Exercises. Exercise 1. What if no trees are there on the earth? What if time ran backwards? Number 3. Would our visual sense of good and bad be inverted? 4. What if our attention span were longer? 5. What if we lived to be 1000 years old? 6. What if there were 3 sexes instead of 2? Exercise 7. What if people could feel the pain they inflicted on other people and animals? Exercise 8. When I was walking through streets at midnight, the watchman asked me, "What are you doing out so late?" I replied, "My sleep had disappeared and I was looking for it." Exercise 9. A fellow ran into a court and cried, "I have been ambushed and robbed just outside this village. The thief must be from this village." He demanded justice. The magistrate asked, "Did the thief not take your shirt?" When the fellow said, "No," the magistrate said, "The thief could not be from this village. The things done thoroughly here. I cannot investigate the case." Exercise 10. 2 students were looking at a rattling flag and discussing. One said, "It is the flag that is moving." Another said, "No, it is the wind that is moving." A teacher overheard the quarrel, approached the students and said, "You are both are incorrect. It is your mind that is moving." Exercise 11. A paradox is a statement that contradicts itself. Take a paradox and discuss it. Okay? Do these exercises. With this, I complete this episode on soft skills. We'll meet in another episode on soft skills. Okay? Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Trust your brain. Trust yourself. Trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Okay? Thank you. Carpe diem. Hari Prasad signing off.